Welcome back to Wheelwise Reviews, your go-to channel for all things automotive, tech, and beyond. Today, we dive into the 2025 Katana, a highly anticipated car that's creating waves with its innovative features, impressive specs, and cutting-edge design. Let's break down everything you need to know about this incredible vehicle. The 2025 Katana is a sleek, modern car designed for those who value performance, style, and efficiency. At first glance, the car's aggressive yet elegant design stands out, with sharp lines and aerodynamic contours that not only look stunning but also enhance performance. The front fascia features striking LED headlights and a bold grille that gives the Katana a commanding road presence. The exterior is built with lightweight materials, improving fuel efficiency and overall handling, while maintaining the durability you'd expect from a high-end vehicle. Under the hood, the Katana doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid engine, combining a turbocharged gasoline engine with an electric motor for optimal performance and fuel efficiency. This hybrid setup allows the Katana to deliver impressive acceleration and smooth power delivery while also being eco-friendly. The engine is paired with a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, providing excellent traction and control in all driving conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city streets, the Katana's responsive handling and precise steering make for an engaging driving experience. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Katana offers a blend of luxury and technology. High-quality materials, including leather and brushed aluminum, give the interior a premium feel. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making long drives enjoyable. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system that is easy to use and packed with features. It supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone for navigation, music, and hands-free calls. The Katana also comes with a premium sound system, ensuring that your favorite music sounds crystal clear, no matter where you're sitting in the car. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Katana. It comes equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only make driving safer but also reduce stress, particularly in heavy traffic or on long journeys. Additionally, the Katana features a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. One of the standout features of the 2025 Katana is its customizable driving modes. You can switch between different modes like Eco, Comfort, and Sport, depending on your driving style or road conditions. This level of personalization enhances the overall driving experience, allowing you to make the most out of the car in various situations. So, is the 2025 Katana the right car for you? If you're looking for a vehicle that combines performance, style, and technology, it might just be. With its hybrid engine, luxurious interior, and advanced safety features, the Katana offers a lot of value for its price. Whether you're an eco-conscious driver or someone who loves the thrill of driving, the Katana has something to offer. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Wheelwise Reviews. Keep following us for the latest in car reviews, specs, and features. See you in the next video.